Hello, welcome back. Today I will talking about constant in PHP. We will talking about constant in PHP syntax, difference between variables, why constant is a constant are a const or variables, globals, why I use constant. Okay, the first, let's say what's the constant. The constant is when you want to creating a constant in PHP, we using define function in PHP. Then enter your constant name, your constant value, your constant value. This my constant name, echo constant name. This value, let's say constant value. We can enter anything here. Hello world, hello world, reload, hello world. The constant, we should enter the constant with this syntax: capital here, capitalize here, and capitalize here. If I entered this, I will get an error. Use of undefined constant underscore name e is small, not defined. Why it not defined? Because the constant by default allows the same name here. By default is false. If we have change to true, you can use constant with your own name is hello world. Okay, what's the difference between vars? Let's say variables, var name equal hello world. Let's using var same. Echo var reload. We have two variables. What's the difference between this and this? In variables, you can redeclare the variable with a new value. I want to change the value of name, var name equal new text. Let's echo the value is changed. In constant we can't change the value of constant. It's a global. You can use constant of all the part of your web page. You can use the for loop and function. Constant is a global variable, not a global variable, is a global value. Global value you can use in anywhere of your page. Why you use constant? You can use constant. You can use constant to create your website version and your website permissions or website. Everything will be constant in your website. For example, you have a function in PHP. We have constant functions in PHP like this __ 5. This a constant in PHP. Let's say this constant give our path of our file. Let's delete this. We have this path in opt lamp htdocs/php index.php. Reload, echo apt lamp htdocs/php index.php. We can create a variable constant like this. We will rename our, but we can't use the same name. If I use this name, I will not be able to use this. Look, you can't redeclare this variable, and in some cases give you some errors. Okay, I will create name. I will echo name. Name. Reload. I will add the value of 5. It gave me the same value of this. Using this function, this constant, and get the value of this constant, put this value into this new constant, and echo this constant. You can use your constant for the different of PHP. Okay, this only constant is easy and you can use it globally. We will learn you once globally in the tutorials in this course. Thank you for watching.